Habaikan beginong patay kubor hadian belawai ke jingyalang jangka kenhun menteri menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad kongkal sangma uloong ba ka kenhun menteri kala ajing menjur ke jing terwa ban pen kelai ke retired judges secretarial and domestic help rules arjar khat lai uloong balapan kala khat do ekani ha kesnam arjar khat san bat kumta da ke jing kerpat ke buan ke high court bat aba pensyong nong rem ke jing ajing mot kumta la pen kala no ekani karun Ukanrat kongkal sangmau la pentibru baka kenhun menteri kala menjur yaki kendon ban penkelah lor ke jingsiu bala ajing mod daga National Judicial Pay Commission ka baar. Ka kenhun menteri kala ajing menjur ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Bill arhajar arpusau ka ban bujli no ya ka Single Window Agency SWA bat ka Investment Meghalaya Authority IMA ban penjanai bat pensuk ya ka jinggen chow sengkam ha ka jela. Ukanrat kongkal sangma uloong ya kani bil unsara syagi yang dorbar tauan kejela kaban sedang naruka kandru tarik mentau benai banyo ekjing menjur uloong bakadau ban pentrekam daka IMA hakajaka jongka SWA kadai namar bak SWA keladon laslemba bat kidon shibuan ba kikam kibala ban penjenai bat daga jengwan ra kana bil ka batamai kan donno ekor trekam kaban long kumjo haga bakan don ru ka application bahab ban lek leng baki portal bat kin don kitanat baper kibanya don benta bat kani bat kan don ru ka tracking system ban bud dien ya ki jingkan show lani ki application ban kan show kam ki buan syakajela Uloong bagi dan shibun jat kijing sengkam kiban pensyong nong rem kat kum kijing kencau pisa. Ukan rat kongkal sangma uloong bagi jing kencau bahapo shiklor tengka on ajing bid daka committee. Bala kliat digi deputy commissioner. Bat kijing kencau bahap yang shiklor tengka hadu shpau klor tengka on ajing bid daka committee. Bakliat du chief secretary kat bay kijing kencau bapalat shpau klor tengka on hab ban pa syaka investment Meghalaya Authority kaban kliat du menteri rang ba kejela. Uloong bakani akan penkloy ya kerukam apply ban bud dien bat kenang pensuk ban sengkam sengjam haga jela Meghalaya.
Officials from the judiciary, from the High Court, and based on those suggestions, the amendments were made to these particular rules to enhance the amount that is given as secretarial assistance and domestic help and other financial assistance that's given to retired judges and chief justice. The fourth was again a amendment to the allowances recommended by the second National Judicial Pay Commission as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. So these are directions given by Supreme Court that certain benefits to judicial magistrates and other judiciary officers in the state, the benefits that are given should be at the level of national level. And this particular direction has been given by Honorable Supreme Court. So as per the directions of Supreme Court, we are going ahead with those amendments. The last decision was to clear the bill for the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2024. In a crux, this is basically going to lead to creation of authority, which we're calling the Investment Meghalaya Authority, and this will be authority that will now replace the single window agency that is there in the state. The reason it's being done is because the single window agency has been there for a long time, and there are many areas which need to be improved, and hence now by coming up with this new bill, this is going to be a unified system where unified applications will be done through portals, and there will be all different departments will be part of this, and there'll be a tracking system to track in all the investments that or all the applications for investments that are coming to the state will be done. There's been different categorization based on the amount of investment, and so the smaller investments of below 1 crore will be cleared by a committee headed by Deputy Commissioner, and any investment between 1 and 10 crores will be cleared by a committee headed by the Chief Secretary. And any committee and any investment more than 10 crores will be sent to the IMA authority, which is headed by Chief Minister. And hence, this will facilitate the easy application process, easy tracking process, and a system that is going to allow ease of doing business and improve the overall ease of doing business in the state of Meghalaya. So this particular bill was approved by the cabinet, and this will be placed in the House for it's digital, plus it is also, as I said, unifying the entire process. There are investments that come in today for education, for health, for tourism, for IT, for agriculture, not just for manufacturing. And hence, in earlier, even the investments that are made for, say, something in, say, power sector, that would go to the single window. Somebody wanted to open up a bakery worth about 25 lakhs. They had to wait, and it would come to the single window agency headed by Chief Minister. So hence, all these different kind of complications are being now smoothened out, and now this new authority is going to streamline the entire process, and digitization is, yes, a very important part of the process.